Hello everyone. Uh, this is Nithipong uh, from Mid Studio. I wanted to showing you a live chat today, broadcast from Facebook of my personal page. It's my first time, so I'm a bit excited. So I just want to walk you around the project today because one of my friends, Eddie Tan, just finished the photo shoot for this project. So yeah, I think I got a little bit of time, so just want to walk you around the house. So just get a feeling of how the project that I design is gonna have a thought, design thinking process. So just to have a feeling of what is my design providing. Okay, so just looking at this Y Sheila like kind of cabinet. So this is gonna be a feature of my counter design, which is right now it's an integration between the cabinet itself and the counter with the stool sitting and integrated down into the dining table. So this unit itself, initially when it come out, doesn't actually have a dining space. So basically the dining originally on the plan architecture layout they're putting at center of the corridor, which is me and my client have a discussion about the idea how we should bring in this really dining table into the space. So my client also have a very take important part into the idea that she have. So this is actually the idea of she have a idea of having the counter integrated with the dining table. So I came up with the idea of integrate all these cabinetry that's relate off together with this elegant wine chiller like cabinet. So it's have a really holistic of the design altogether. And this side we have a simple TV panel with integrated all these cabinetry for storage. And this is a two-bedder unit, and we have limitation of the space how we actually can put things in the cabinetry or storage space. So I also having this idea to have this little niche panel that we created out from this wall. So it's going to be a kind of a quick access when you come back home. You can actually put a key on the tray somewhere at this area or at the level that you like, or in a little bit of a display of your favorite book that actually you can actually see it. Yeah. So even outside we have a little bit of the counter for breakfast. So it's kind of nice view. Once we discover this place really have a very fantastic view, so we just really couldn't let go such a nice feature. So we have a nice little breakfast counter onto it. So this is a 2-bedroom. So this is a kind of small bedroom, but I wanted to show you more important is master bedroom. So I felt this kind of the color palette that I have a thought in mind. So it could be a little bit of a feature wallpaper, simple, very simple, but it's suitable enough, soothing, make people feel comfortable. Once you come in with a very simple kind of bed, and also bedside lamp that's a little bit more hospitality, a little bit of feature painting. I'm not gonna showing too much of the design that come together with the condo itself. So, but although it's quite a simple and nice design, but this is not my work, so I'm not showing it. Yeah. So from the kitchen part, it actually came out together like that, but we add in this simple trimming of the LED strip, so it's look much more modern and give you a bit more brightness when you actually really cooking at the counter. Then at this part, this is just one big piece of the mirror. So this is a full height mirror, but it's in gray tinted mirror. Because I don't want to have like the very clear mirror, so like, people just like trying to staring at themselves, and sometimes it's not so important for people to actually look at them all the time, look at themselves all the time. And the very good feature of this mirror is that if you do some cooking at this area and just like cooking, you got a little bit of like people knocking on your door, you actually turn it back, and then somehow, again at this corner better, somehow you will see this angle. You actually see, let's say people open the door, they somehow don't have to like go all your neck to see, but this is what you actually can see a view from this kitchen. Yeah. So I would say it's a simple kind of design, but put a little bit, not a little bit, a lot of thoughts into a small details. So I felt, I want to just give you a kind of what is the normally my design feature is really like always have a very simple solution, but the thoughts behind is very thoughtful. So that's what Mid Studio is thinking philosophy is all about. So I hope you guys enjoy this live broadcast from Facebook, and I will try to do this kind of live chat more and more, and of course once the photo of this unit is done, I will be posting into Mid Studio page, so everybody can have a look of it. So I hope to see you guys again, and thank you for watching, and thank you all for your support and likes, and all the support that you all give me. Thank you so much, and see you again. Bye bye.